Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to look at part 2 of the RV slide remodel. We ended up selecting a MyRoyalSit modular sofa off of Amazon, and today I'm going to walk through the instructions of installation real quick. Here you'll see me assembling everything, and because this video is going to be quick, just want to say the overall install is really easy. Just probably took me about an hour total. I did have to wait because the shipping came in 3 boxes. We went with the 103-inch install. You'll see there's 5 different options that you can select from their Amazon link, which I'll paste below. I will say overall the quality is awesome. I was pretty shocked for Amazon couch. The base of it is actually really comfortable. The only thing I would say, if I had to nitpick, I dislike is the backs. As you see there, the back pillows are a little flat. You'll see these in a moment, but the overall base pillows are awesome. My son sleeps on it. It fits all 4 of my family members. One of the main reasons we actually selected this couch was that each base actually has storage underneath, so you can store content, which is really nice because we did lose some storage by removing the U-dinette, so this was a great replacement for that. Really awesome couch. Here it is finished before the last box came in, and then you'll see here I didn't record myself installing it, but the last section of it I put together and connected it. Everything connects with bolts, but you can actually move the ottomans around the way you want, which is really nice. I think I spent $850 total on this couch. It fit my RV space really nicely. I just have one other section I want to get a cabinet for, but overall really happy with the quality. I would highly recommend this if you're looking for an RV install. This is really lightweight, which is really nice. So if you are traveling, we are not, but if you are traveling, it's a good replacement for the U-dinette and couch. I would say it probably weighs less. I think it's 97 pounds total with the boxes, maybe a little bit more than that. But the overall sofa bed that I took out and the U-dinette, I think the overall weight would have been around that, if not more. But yeah, I would say if you're looking to do an RV renovation of your slide, something like this is definitely a great idea. Interested to see your comments and feedback below. And if you are interested in purchasing this, please use my affiliate link below on Amazon. Appreciate it. Thanks.